Welcome to Dr. BMN College of Home Science, Autonomous. Here are some accolades our college has received. Our college has been re-accredited by NAC with an A+ grade with CGPA 3.69 out of 4. Our college also received College with Potential for Excellence status by UGC and the Best College Award in the year 2016-17 by SNDT Women's University. Peter Drucker once said, "If you want something new, you have to stop doing something old." At Dr. BMN College, we absolutely subscribe to this view. Our first attempt was to get autonomy. Let me mention the benefits of autonomy. First, academic freedom. The autonomous status accords an institution with the freedom to frame the syllabus and customize it as per the needs of the industry. Students are taught the latest and relevant technologies to make them competent in the market. Experts from various industries and experienced academicians from reputed institutes are consulted in the process of framing the syllabus. Dedicated efforts are made to ensure that the syllabus framed is employment-centric. Second, next we introduced the choice-based credit system, CBCS. Rather than evaluating student performance using marks and percentages, which many a time can be very inconsistent and unfair, CBCS uses credits and credit point averages, CPA, to evaluate student performance as it provides a more holistic metric to measure student performance instead of marks and percentages. Third, efforts to make employability easier. In today's competitive marketplace, there is a huge demand for proficient technical and management professionals. Practical training and a curriculum meticulously framed to meet the requirements of the job market are imparted to the students to make them readily employable. The overall syllabus is framed in such a way that it focuses on gaining more practical knowledge. In addition to this, a hands-on project, which is an important part of the curriculum, plays a vital role in making students employment ready. As far as examinations are concerned, equal weightage is accorded to both internal and final exams. Both the internal and the final exams are conducted by the institute. An important step has been to include internships as an important aspect of learning. Students are provided with multiple opportunities to intern at various industries and MNC R&D laboratories during their vacation time to groom them for the industry. Dr. BMN College of Home Science is the first institute to introduce BCA under KG Shah Department of Computer Applications in Mumbai in the year 2001. Why BCA? Now let us tell you all that it helps students improve technical and mechanical skills, boost interest in high technology. It helps students learn new programming languages, enhance logical reasoning, and yes, inculcate spirit of teamwork. Unique features of BCA. Apart from the dedicated faculty, another first to our credit has been the inviting of industry experts every year to complete 5% of the syllabus. We also conduct mock tests and aptitude trainings, as these are the most important sections in all the competitive exams and campus interviews in order to be successful in getting IT and government jobs. Project development training is an instructional approach designed to give students the opportunity to develop knowledge and skills through engaging projects set around challenges and problems they may face in the real world. Industrial representatives visit our premises to share their experiences with our students and also guide them. One of the important and students' favorite feature is the annual study tour and industrial visit. Industrial visit has its own importance in the career of a student who is pursuing a professional degree. It is considered as a part of college curriculum and objectives of industrial visit is to provide students an insight regarding internal working of companies. We know theoretical knowledge is not enough for making a good professional career. With an aim to go beyond academics, industrial visit provides students a practical perspective on the world of work. Industrial visits provide an excellent opportunity for the students to interact with industries and know more about the practical working of the industrial environment and gain full awareness about industrial practices. Nowadays, the market is very much demanding, and we often come across the issue regarding the level of education not meeting the industry expectation. So, to bridge this gap and equip the students of current generation with new age technologies, seminars, guest lectures, and workshops play an imperative role, thus ensuring a proper flow of knowledge. Seminars and workshops assist in passionate interaction and active participation, boosting the skill and expertise of students. BCA admission process starts immediately after the declaration of the HSC results. Duration of course is 3 years with 6 semesters. Number of seats available 120. And now let us tell you how you can join our institution. Students seeking admission for the BCA course must have passed higher secondary school certificate examinations held at the end of 12th standard conducted by the Maharashtra State Board of Higher Secondary Board or an examination of another state or board recognized as equivalent thereto with an aggregate not less than 45% or 3-year full-time diploma, 3-year full-time diploma in Engineering of Technical Education Board with an aggregate not less than 45% or 3-year full-time diploma in Engineering of Technical Education Board with an aggregate not less than 60% are directly eligible for second year BCA. How do we create a difference? As mentioned earlier, we introduced the choice-based credit system CBCS. CBCS uses credits and CPA, that is credit point averages, to evaluate student performance as it provides a more holistic metric to measure student performance instead of marks and percentages. We have also included current programming language in the syllabus, that is Python programming and programming PHP. We also provide value-added course like digital marketing and Oracle PL/SQL programming and short-term skill-based training courses such as Internet of Things and web development. Syllabus for first year BCA. Semester 1 we have communication skills, accounting and financial management, accounting applications, introduction to programming and problem solving using C, computer fundamentals and operating systems, problem solving using C Lab, GNU Linux Lab. Semester 2 we have information system analysis and design, management information system, mathematics, discrete structures and graphs theory, advanced C, environmental science, advanced C Lab, web development lab. Syllabus for second year BCA. Semester 3 we have introduction to microprocessor, mathematics 2, computer oriented numerical methods, computer organization and architecture, database management system, Python programming lab, DBMS Lab. Semesters 4, we have Data Structures and Algorithms, Data Communication and Networking, Software Engineering, Internet Programming, Data Structures and Algorithms Lab, Programming PHP Lab. There are multiple job opportunities after BCA, such as SAP Consultant, Web Designer, Project Leader, Database Administrator, Software Developer, Cybersecurity Expert, Technical Recruiter, Freelancer, Digital Marketer, etc. Students who wish to pursue higher education after BCA have several options like MCA, MSc Computer Science, MSc IT, MCM, METCA, MMS, MBA. Placements give students the opportunity to gain skills specific to their subject or industry of choice. It also increases their knowledge of an industry or sector, allowing them to make better informed decisions about future career choices. So here at BMN, we have excellent placement opportunities for our BCA students. Companies come to our campus without you having to knock on various doors for jobs. Companies like Capgemini, Atos, Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, L&T Infotech, etc. visit our premises and recruit our students with good average salary of 3 lakhs per annum. This makes things very easy for students because they don't have to run around in circles. They can show what they've got in the campus itself, and they will be recruited if the companies like them. Our student achievers. Extracurricular activities provides various opportunities for students to learn, grow, and also develop the overall personality by showcasing their skills and creativity at different platforms. Our prominent alumni. Ms. Mithali Telam works at Pepper Money as Senior Salesforce Consultant with 76.85 lakhs per annum. Ms. Shweta Dhanak works at Ointel's IMS as Senior Analyst with 36.6 lakhs per annum. Ms. Himanshi Ajmera works at Infosys Limited as a Technology Analyst with 36 lakhs per annum. Ms. Kanchan Gupta works at Morgan Stanley as an IT Manager with 17 lakhs per annum. Ms. Kripali Kulkarni works at BMW India Finance Public Limited as a Business Analyst with 16 lakhs per annum. Ms. Megha Desai works at Max Software as Senior Project Lead with 15 lakhs per annum. Our students are indeed our brand ambassador. Our college infrastructure. The college has been built with a very good infrastructure for the benefit of the students. It is all done with a focus to provide the best possible facilities for the students as well as the staff members. The college campus is spacious with well-equipped laboratories, classrooms, libraries, and a lot of moving and open spaces. We also have a gym and browsing lab for our students. Please visit our college website www.bmncollege.com for more information. Thank you.